Nadir, the CEO of BlueBird Aero Systems. The company is 16 years old. We are specialized in micro, mini, and tactical UAVs. Tactical UAVs are UAVs that can be operated from within the field without the need of infrastructure. Today, in this competitive market, the UAV need to be not just with extreme performance and reliable and cost-effective. Everybody has a platform. What we need is more and more capabilities, unique capabilities and autonomy capabilities in the same platform. So we concentrate on adding those capabilities, and one of the capabilities you can see on the Pandur EVO, which can carry cargoes and deliver them accurately to the target. Cargoes can be different type of cargoes. For example, let's imagine a boat that sank 100 kilometers from shore. The Pandur EVO can carry up to 2 or 6 cargoes, fly 100 kilometers into the sea, drop the cargoes accurately. When the cargo will hit the water, it will become an inflatable life jackets or life rings that can save people, and again, 100 kilometers of the shore. If you need accurate delivery, the capsule can include 1 kilogram of goodies like a bottle of water, a communication device, or whatever that can be delivered accurately to the target.
My name is Sean. I'm CEO of General Robotics, and today I'm going to show you our new system. It's an ultra-light weapon station. This is a special version of the weapon station against drones. So what we have here is a fully stabilized weapon station. We have, in addition, we have night vision with continuous zoom, very powerful day imaging, high definition with 30 times optical zoom. So we have all that in a very, very small package of only 70 kilograms. In addition, in this special anti-drone version, we have a radar to detect the drones. After we detect the drones, we are tracking them with our optical system. We have a soft kill option by Drone Shield. This is a jammer against drones. And if the soft kill option is not sufficient, we also have a hard kill option with a special algorithm to take down the drone. We take into calculation both the movement of the drone and the ballistics, and the bullet will exit only if the system is sure that it's going to hit the drone. So we've already hit a drone 2 weeks ago, a very small drone from 100 meters, and now we're working on extending these capabilities to reach 300 meters. We can put here any kind of weapons which is 7.62 caliber or below. This, for example, is a standard Navy MAG machine gun. We also have a Negev 5.56. Whatever is needed, 7.62 or below, we can do it. So we provide a full solution of detection, soft kill and hard kill in one small compact system.
My name is Grzegorz Harkot. I am the business development manager in Hertz Systems company from Poland. The company is over 30 years on the market, and today we are showing the anti-drone solution. The anti-drone solution comprises the anti-drone radar, the camera for visualization, the dedicated software, and the neutralizer. Neutralizer in form of a jammer and neutralizer in form of a drone catcher to physically intercept the drone. The radar itself has a range of 5 kilometers. It can detect drones starting from micro drones. There is a dedicated software which distinguishes the drone from birds, so no false alarms are given. When the drone is detected, the camera, which is integrated, directs itself for the drone. It follows the drone, so it helps to visualize what kind of threat it is. Then we can use our neutralizer. We can use the jammer. We can simply block the signal between the drone and the operator, or you can use our drone catcher to physically intercept the drone while using a net. The net is launched from a special launcher attached to the drone catcher.
We're happy to have the opportunity to introduce our latest product, the new Pandur 6x6. It's actually a series production vehicle for the Austrian Army, and we addressed in this design the latest requirements, especially in terms of protection level, of course. And they are both kinetic energy, high explosive, mine protection, as well as ID. What we managed in this vehicle, that we squeeze in the very proven power pack from our 8x8 vehicles with the 455 horsepower engine now in this compact 6x6 vehicle, which delivers a very good power to weight ratio with about 25 horsepower per ton. We have the configuration here in a 3+8, so the driver, the gunner and the commander, and the infantry squad of 8 people, so which is quite significant in such a compact vehicle. Based on the Austrian requirement, we made the vehicle a little bit longer to give additional internal volume for the customer. We say it's a Pandur 6x6 still. Of course, it's the latest generation, and our customer calls it Pandur EVO for evolution. This is the first series production vehicle, and we will deliver it by the end of the year.